This video is a demonstration of our movie rating system for Computer Science 5593 at the University of Oklahoma for fall 2015. The system takes in lists of cast and crew data for movies and other titles released after 1975 to train a random forest model. And we use that model to make predictions about movies that are coming out. So what we do, we start at IMDb, then we download the list, and the lists are files of actors, actresses, writers, producers, and directors. Those are in different formats. So we have our data parser that puts it in a format of a movie by cast matrix. So once we have that, we convert it into numerical data. So instead of just having a nominal actor, actresses, producers categories, we now have values for those, a numeric value. So then we can pass those numeric values into a random forest algorithm, and we can train that algorithm. Finally, once the algorithm is trained, we go back up to IMDb, use a web crawler to look for movies that are coming out soon. And we just follow the same data processing steps as we did earlier, but now once we have the movies that are coming out, we just pass it back into our random forest model, and it makes predictions about those movies. So the predictions are then entered into a MySQL database, and the database interfaces with a GUI where a user can discover things about the movies. They can see the ratings for them. So if we do that now, we just pretend we're a user. We just go to our movie recommendation system, the home page here. If we know what movie we want to look for, like maybe we want to see Star Wars or something, all we have to do is just come up here, type in Star Wars, select, and search it. And so now we see that we come up Star Wars: The Force Awakens. It has a rating of 6.1. Here are some details about the actors, actress name, and all this. And these actresses, directors, J.J. Abrams. So we can do that for any movie we want to see. Even if we want to see like something like Captain America, just select Captain America. And again, we have a link with a rating of 5.4, and we can see details about the actors. So we have Tom Holland, Chris Evans, and so on. We have Scarlett Johansson. So if a user doesn't know what movie they want to see, but maybe they just have like a preference for a genre or something, like maybe they're into action movies, they can just come over here, select action, and then I pulled up the list of all action movies in descending order on rating. So then they can just click on this link. They see, okay, X-Men got some actors here. Jennifer Lawrence is in this movie. Michael Daugherty's writing. And then they can do that for any movie they want to see. Maybe they want to look at Star Wars again, Force Awakens. Or they can just come back here and maybe click on animated movie this time. So animated movies, we have Alvin and Chipmunks, and again, everything's in descending order based on the ratings. And you should always click on it to see details about the cast and crew. Finally, if they go see this movie, they can write feedback about it. They can use their name, email, and a message about either the movie or just the system in general. And then future implementations of this program will take their feedback and improve accuracy of our rating system. Another interesting thing here, a user wouldn't see this, but you can log into the system. Instead of just as a normal user, you can just become an admin. So if you do that, just change it, admin, enter. And then now we have somewhere we can just enter the movie's names, directors, producers, actors, actresses, and all this, and we can manually enter a movie into our database.